Hey guys, yesterday I've been working on some more code reviews and I'm trying to add spell checking to our Travis CI. So that's it for today. Let's hear the team.
Hi, I'm working on tests and sending messages to the Kafka from the consumer. That's it.
Hi, so today, as yesterday, I continue to work on the Kafka test. I hope I will finish it today and then I could go on to another classes like bid, need.
Yeah, so I already finished to implement the contracts infrastructure, and now I write some tests and I will hopefully finish today everything. That's it.
Hi everyone. A pretty quiet day today as I continue with the onboard communications regarding regulatory compliance and keep our social media up and running. See you next time.
Hello everyone, it's been a while, it's great to see you again. So my top three for the past week or so, I've been rolling out the new narrative for talking about the mobile economy and access to mobility. We've also been working on some new content for our peer efforts, and of course we've been looking for and onboarding new DAV Alliance members. We've got 3 that are in negotiations right now. Hopefully something will resolve fairly soon. We can bring them on board. And that's it for me right now, and I'll talk to you guys soon.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today started the day with filming the developers for the DailyDAV, and then I did some minor final corrections to Giovanni's interview, and hopefully we'll release that soon. And then I finished writing the format for our new weekly show. As I mentioned yesterday, August 9th is gonna be our last and final DailyDAV episode, and then we're gonna start creating a weekly show. And then I edited 2 DailyDAVs, and that's it for now. See you next time.
Hi everybody. New sunny summer day started and I continue my amazing work for new DAV partners. Yesterday I created a few new icons for our mobile apps and